cheese. That's all, guys. Happy Easter to everybody. Isn't it? Easter bun. Cheese up there, so. Wasn't sure what bun to get, so I decided to get 2 buns. I got the yummy, and a couple people in the store said this one is supposed to eat good, so it's my first time getting this, so I'm gonna try it to see. And you know, can't forget the cheese. So I wanna wish everybody happy Easter. Eat some fish and some butter and cheese. And guys, be safe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you that are new, I want to welcome you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Right now I want to get to 1,000. It's gonna be a big milestone for me, so if you haven't subscribed already, guys, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And we're gonna celebrate, you know, so stay tuned for that one. We're gonna fry some fish, so I'm gonna show you guys, you know, how it's prepared and everything and how we're gonna do, so stay tuned for that. Guys, we're sauteing the onion right now. Onion, carrot, and some pimento seed. And a little bit of oil. Not so much oil. I'm gonna let it saute a little, then we're gonna pour in the vinegar. Vinegar in. Just let it simmer and saute with the vinegar. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning that's left out. That one is to season the fish. A little all-purpose. Some fish seasoning. Black pepper. Cayenne pepper. I'm gonna let that simmer. I'm gonna put that on the fish. Ooh. Very nice. Stay tuned, guys. All the fish is already fried. Just ready for the carrot and to be all over it. Then you can enjoy. Yes. So stay tuned, guys. So you're getting it on there on the fish. Escovitch. Escovitch fish. You see? Yeah, man. Nice fried fish. That tastes good. Yeah, guys, so here it goes. I wish you guys could taste this because when I tell you, it's a what taste good. It's gonna taste so good. So guys, I got my food here. I'm about to finish eating, enjoying, and make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll get back to you with the next video. I'm out.